prop I have chosen for you today is a box. Now, this is no ordinary, ugly white box. You see, this box holds my dreams. It holds my goals. It holds my potential. One of my dreams is to become a model. But in order for me to become a model, in order for me to achieve that dream, I have to put in the work. I have to put in action. Now, I'd like for all the youth to stand up if you have a dream or a goal that you want to achieve. Stand up. Ooh, fafu. All right, stay standing. Next. What have you done so far to achieve that dream? Sit down. As youth, we are so caught up in life. We are so caught up in school and friends and our appearances that we barely have time to focus on our dreams. We, as youth, are capable of doing nearly anything. Actually, no, cut out nearly anything and everything. If I am capable of achieving my dreams, then so are you. If I am capable of doing a sterling sports photo shoot with my sister, then so are you. The next few months, or the next few days, next few weeks, I invite you to separate yourself from any distractions, whether it be friends or school. Separate yourself, go to a quiet place, bring a sketch pad, and write on that sketch pad your number one dream or your number one goal you want to achieve. Then, under it, write down everything you need to do to achieve it. And sooner or later, you will find out that that dream you want will become a reality. Thank you.